It's great working in the shipyard. It's a tough job, tough environment. Yeah, you're going to be knackered. My name is Vanessa Reid. I'm a boat builder.
You have to have the passion behind you, the thing that's in us, you know.
The worst conditions I've worked in has been in Aberdeen Harbour, working at minus temperatures all the way through the night.
It was a 7.5 metre sea. We're working on the rescue boat on the back of a mothership which held the arcs on it. Getting wet, getting cold.
You're tired, you're sore.
Seasick is what I remember. With a job like that, you can't stop and you get it done, so the boat's out and saving people. My name's James Reid, I'm a boat builder. We need tough tools to keep up with us. I use DEWALT tools day in, day out.
They seem to last forever and ever. The power that you get is phenomenal. The power of a corded tool with no cords.
Working with my sister's great, she's a go-getter.
If you're not tough, you're not going to last.
With DEWALT, tough gets tougher.